Well, back at the dump, we'll see what we can find. Holds water.
You could fit a couple oars on it.
Yeah.
Right in the...
Now there's a thought.
Self-draining.
That's right.
Yeah.
I'm surprised no one's taking that to put a garden in or something. A pond.
Does it not work?
I use it to wash my dog.
It'd be good for a pond.
You're right. Now you shouldn't give me ideas
You
like
must
that.
have room at your place for it. We'll all come and help you.
I'm leaving.
I still think a couple of oars on it and you could use it for fishing.
Oh, well, hey, they do have some races on Vancouver Island. Okay.
That's a nice table there. Oh, it works, does it?
Doesn't sound very strong though.
No.
Real
Yeah, I suppose you
like
could do
that
better.
sound that is there something wrong with it?
Right. Which is why it's here, right?
Hey, cool, boogie horse. Daddy.
Well, she found a dress but she wanted a jacket to go with it. It's really nice. What is it, chocolate? Aubergine color?
Well, hello. How are you?
Bad at all.
You're out of your neck of the woods.
Well, kind of.
Kinda.
Bought her daughter stuff where she lives. So
How you been?
Oh, not too bad.
Good.
Yeah. You?
Good.